In chapter 10, we are going to use the SafeMath, and we are going to look at the code inside the SafeMath. So what is the use of this is because it is going to check whether there is some error. So it should be C over A is equal to B. So if at last this does not happen, it will has the error, and this also just like the same. So if C is equal to A plus B, C should be greater than or equal to A. So again, if there is not the case, it will pop up the error. So to use the multiplied and add, it just like this. So we are going to use the SafeMath in our code. At here we have the ++. So instead of using this, we are going to use the SafeMath syntax. So we have to change this to equal, and then we copy this, and then we use .add 1, and for the owner_count from, because we want to minus, so which is equal to owner_count from, and then .sub 1, and then we can go to check answer.